Hi.
Hi, good
So it's
night.
good evening. Good night.
Good evening. Evening ke
Good
good
evening,
night?
evening.
Evening. Okay,
Good
okay.
night kan semua pergi tidur pula.
Okay, good evening, everyone.
So good evening. So ni first time lah kita we try to do it in the night ah.
Yep.
So I think we also plan to do it lebih pada santai-santai lah. Tak
Uh,
serius macam siang lah. So we will the language also kita will mix of Malay and English lah, mix mode. We try to do it in the mix mode. So today is our first first time we are doing it. Oh, I already have Rochi Peng. Morning, not morning. Sorry, good evening, Rochi Peng.
evening.
Thanks for joining. And from Saiful, Waalaikumsalam Saiful. Thanks for joining. Hopefully this time is convenient for all. I mean, we try. I mean, if in the morning, I think everyone some like have class, some have other thing to rush. Then so we thought night this time will be suitable lah. And this time we choose. I mean, based on me and Hairil discussion because previously I remember that we distributed the form so that everyone will respond, but unfortunately not much response we received. So we thought this time will be more good for everyone. So hopefully this one will suit everyone. So okay, we have some more comments from Roy Chipang. Later suddenly close eye, then when I open already next day. And also from, I think this one is our new viewer, Chi Y Kyong. Good evening, excited to look at the new product. Thanks for joining, Chi Y Kyong. And then we have Ober. Hi, good evening, Ober. Thanks for joining also. And I mean next day night. Right. So okay. So as usual, for today also we have quite a number of interesting product as well. So hopefully the product that we are bringing in are useful and will be beneficial for all the viewers.
Yep.
Alright. So I think let's start with the first product. Okay, before we start, just to announce, previously we mentioned that we want to have a sharing session. So we call it something like a Borat tag, something like that. So later we will have a announcement on that, and whoever is available, we are planning to do it on the Friday night at 9 o'clock. Just 9 to 9:30. Whoever is free, then you are very welcome to join us, so that we can just a sharing. I mean, doesn't need to be a very futuristic project or what. Just a normal project. Apa-apa project pun boleh. As long, I mean, everyone is makers, so whatever you have done, if you want to share with us, then you are mostly welcome. So later we will yes Hairil.
This one I'm not included.
Included sekali lah.
Sekali lah. Okay.
Nanti lah, belum finalize, tengah finalize lagi.
Okay.
So nanti dah finalize lagi, kita share dengan viewers. Then it's more to sharing lebih pada santai not very technical, but just to inspire the other makers. Alright. So I think we have some more comments before we start with our new product. I think we have from Candy Wong. Hi Candy Wong. And over say good vibes. Thanks over. Then from Fan Ivilo, good evening all. Sudah makan? Ya, sudah. Hopefully everyone had their dinner also. Okay, then must tell teacher buy to get free poster. Yeah. We have that one actually. For the this one is for the microbit, right? Hairi, the poster. But the one is.
Maybe you can share the product page.
Okay, yeah. Let me just share the screen. This one maybe we can just. I will open the new page. This is the poster, I think, for what Roy Chipang is mentioning. So this one is for the educator basically. So if you are a teacher, and you purchase, then you will get this one for free. So this one start from 23rd. It's already started, and it's limited for 200. First 200 customer. So it's a very nice poster. It's for the microbit poster. So it's like a summary of the microbit actually. So if you're an educator, then you're mostly welcome, and try to grab this while the stock lasts, because we only have 200 units, so you can try to grab this. Okay, so okay, let me just close this one. Okay, then sekali saja banyak dibuy. Okay, alright. Okay, so let's yes, I
The first product, which is I think the most interesting product lah
yes,
for this session.
For today NPI session, yep. So this one is the Arduino Nano ESP32 with headers. So I think everyone was waiting for this actually. So this one is already there. So this one is basically dia still masih ada Arduino. It's taking the form of the Arduino Nano, but this one comes with the ESP32, and this one come with the header as well. And let's see the spec. Okay, so here you have the like a 3D video, basically 3D video of that, and here we already included some of the related video to this product, and
as you can see in the second image, scroll up a bit more. This one, you can see here there are two versions of Arduino Nano ESP32, which is the pre-soldered one and without headers. But in Cytron we only have the pre-soldered one, so you don't need to care about the soldering part. So you just buy and then connect to your breadboard.
Yeah, sometimes you're worried if you're soldering, because we do receive some requests from the customer actually. Sometimes they request us to solder because they're worried they might damage the parts or what. But so this one comes with the pre-soldered, so it's much more easier, and you don't need to worry much. You just buy it and then you can straight away use it. And okay, one good thing is that this one comes in a Arduino Nano form factor and usually very small, yeah. Because usually last time we have been carrying the ESP32, which is a bit the size is a bit bigger than this, and this one is much more convenient, and because I think Arduino Nano is very familiar for everyone. So when ESP32 combines with Arduino, then it's very very good. So some more, this one is the S3 This is similar to our Maker Fader AIoT S3. So this one is similar to that. The chip is similar The chip.
Same like the Arduino Uno R4 Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi.
R4, oh okay, yep.
We also use S3 chip.
S3 chip. Right, so this is the product. So you can always come to the product page here to know more about the detail about this product. And okay, for this product, the actual price is 129 ringgit, and currently we are giving 10% off for this product, so you can grab this for 116 ringgit and 10 cent. So at the moment we have 31 in stock, and about 5 days more before the offer ends. So once the offer ends, it will be back to the normal price. So try to grab this while the stock and the offer price last. Right, I think before we go, we have some more comments from Nello. Oh, Nello Media is back. Hi Nello Media. It's been a while.
Long time.
Long time.
We don't see Nello Media in our life.
Yeah. So thanks for joining. So this is the first NPI we are doing it in the evening. Around 9 we start. So
ready time.
Is it? I mean. Nello is from US, right? US. Yeah. So hopefully this time is convenient for you to join with us. And I think from Roy Chi Peng, if I have Mandarin version, you're requesting for the Mandarin. I'm not sure. I mean, if you have more requests, then we might consider to come up with with the what? With the Mandarin version. So nice, this one pre-solder. Yeah. Correct over this one. Easier because sometimes some people are really worried about soldering. They might damage the board and everything. So this one is really easier for someone who's looking for that. And then we have some more from Nello Media. Do you have this available without headers for us guys that use this for retail? I think at the moment no, right, Haril? We don't bring it yet.
But if you have demand, I don't know. I mean, you can try to contact us first lah.
Yeah, maybe you can consider. I mean, if there's more requests from the customer, then we might think about bringing in the. Because the thing is, like, usually last time we have the non-pre-sold. I mean, for other boards we do have the not soldered actually. But then some customer do request to have it soldered before shipping it to them. And then some more from comments from Nello Media. Also, what voltage will they handle on the V-in pin? So for the V-in pin, let's just see.
I think 6 to 21 volt.
Yeah, I think it should be here, right? Yeah, the V-in is 6 to 21. Yeah, 6 to 21 volt. The voltage, the input voltage. That's the nominal. I think this one is pretty much standard for most of the Arduino boards for 6 to 21 volts. And then from Brother Idris, so Mr. Over can come with the Mandarin. This one is for the poster This one for the poster. Poster. Then we have from Mohammed Shamil, has Bluetooth for this now. Yeah, it has the Bluetooth. So if you see here, so this one is the Bluetooth. So it supports the Bluetooth U-Block NORA W-W106. So it is supported Shamil.
So same like not MCU lah. Not MCU you can use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, right?
Bluetooth.
Same like
Yes.
Since it use the same chip.
Same chip.
ESP32.
Okay, Shamil, Shahida, Hamid, nice product. Yeah, thanks. So try to grab this, Shahida, because this one we have 10% offer now. You can try to grab this. And Chris, yeah, right. I think evening for Chris. Thanks for joining. And then we have from Mr. Lim. Thanks, Mr. Lim, for joining us. This. Wait, and then I thought for do. Oh, okay. I think brother is mentioning for doing live in the Mandarin version. I think the one should be, Mr. Ober. Right. Okay, that's the first product for today. So as usual, try to grab this if the offer with the offer price. So once the offer price is over, then we'll be back to the normal price. Alright. So let's move to the second product. Okay, just to highlight a few more comments from our viewers from Mr. Night Show now. Yes, Mr. Lim. I think this is the first time we are doing it in the evening, in the night, because we thought it'll be much more convenient for the viewers, since some of the viewers are working and in the university, so they might the time is a bit, the 11 and 12 time we thought it'd be a bit difficult for the rest to join, so that's why we try to change, and let's see how it goes. So if everyone is okay with this time, then we will try to do it during this time. Right, and then we have two more. We have hi from Jackie. Hi Jackie Chai, and also from Bella Land. Thought it was no, it's live. We are doing it live. Thanks for joining, Bella. Right, so let's move to the next product. Okay, so ni the next product for today. So this is the 7-inch DSI capacitive touchscreen with case for the Raspberry Pi 4B.
Yeah. So I have the product with me.
Okay, so let's bring high reel screen. Wait, high reel, I just change the screen. Okay. Alright, yeah, you're good to go.
Okay. So this is the product. So actually, this product is will come in two box, which is the first box is the case, the plastic case, and the second box is the screen display. So this is 7-inch display for Raspberry Pi 4B. This one I already installed, as you can see here. We have Raspberry Pi 4B.
Mm-hmm.
Then at the back you can open.
Oh, it's accessible. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then you can mount maybe on the wall. I don't know. So
Oh, they have the break the hole for the
the
for the
hole,
mounting. Okay.
for the mounting, yes. So I don't connect with power supply, so yeah.
Oh, the power supply is on the side there. There's now we
The
can see
power supply,
the
yeah, here. I don't know, you can see. This one is
yeah, you
power
can see
supply.
slightly. Oh, okay. It's accessible through there.
Yeah. So USB here, then screen in front. So quite nice. And then this one is touch screen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then the screen, I think you guys cannot see. The screen come with the port to connect the fan. So you can directly connect the fan and then put the fan on top of the Raspberry Pi here lah,
Oh,
for
okay.
cooling.
But this one, the fan we need to buy separately, right? It doesn't come
Yeah.
with the fan. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so I think that's all.
Okay, so that's about the 7-inch DSI capacitive. So as usual, you can see here. So these are some of the highlights of the product. So this is a 7-inch in size. The resolution is 800 by 480. So it's using the DisplayPort DSI MPI, MIPI. It's a low power. The enclosure is it's an ABS enclosure, and the touch type is a capacitive. The touch is a 5 points touch. 5 points touch. Yeah, it's a 5-point touch, and using the I2C for the touch port, and also the top is a toughened glass. Right, so here are the details on how you can get this installed in the case.
The installation also very easy lah. So if you just refer here, you can just easily install the case with the display.
Okay. So you also have for the camera connector on top there.
Yep. The
so it's
camera will
accessible
be at the top of the screen here.
at the top. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then one thing that I like about this screen is it has the base that can stand like this.
Oh, okay. You don't need to have another base or something. It is.
Yeah.
You can just put it on your table or something.
Yep.
Oh,
Stand
okay.
alone. Stand alone.
Right. Looks good. Because I previously I bought one actually last time, but that one doesn't have a stand. But the one is a different one from Waveshare, but the one require you need to print it, or you need to have something to put it as a stand for that. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, this is the packing list. Like Hairil mentioned, you will get two separate. First one is the screen alone and the connector. The other one is the another packaging. The another box will have the enclosure. The enclosure. Right, so you can come to the product page here to know more about the detail of the product. And for this product, the actual price is 299 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product. 20% off, so the price would be 239 ringgit and 20 cents. Currently we have 8 in stock and 6 more days to go before the offer ends. So try to grab this while the stock and the offer price lasts. Right? So I think that's about the second product for today. So let's move to the third product for today. Right, so the third product is a sensor actually. So this is a ultraviolet sensor, digital LTR 390. Actually the sensor is with me. But yeah, the sensor is with me. So let me just hook it up very quickly so that I can just demo it to you. Okay. So just okay. So this one is for the UV sensor. But unfortunately, I don't have any UV source with me, so I just want to show the sensor. Let me just open the camera. Okay, and let me just okay, so this is the sensor. This one is very small in size. Okay, so this is the sensor. It's a UV sensor, as you can see here. So this one can measure. So this one is using the I2C line, basically at the bottom here. You can see this one is using VCC, ground, SDSL, and this one can be easily interfaced with using the Arduino. And for this, I'm just using the sample code to show, but unfortunately I don't have any UV light source here to measure the UV, so it's just gonna show some passive value without any value there. Let me just very quickly show it to you. Okay, so I need to just zoom a bit.
Actually, I found a video
on that
using this product.
Oh, okay, yeah, we can just play that one. I think for a while.
Yep.
So
you can see my screen, right?
Can. Yeah, we can see your screen now.
Okay, so this one is using the LTR UV sensor with the Arduino. So it's putting the code, and this is how it should be the result lah, the UV value. So this one you need to test outside, right?
Yeah, outside. Yep. Under the sunlight, so you can get or you need to have a UV light. If you have the UV light, so you can show that. Okay, I think I already have that one with LTR 390. Okay, so this one I'm just interfacing with the Maker Uno. Easier to show with Maker Uno. So because of the interfacing, I think it's much more easier. So this one, the connection is very straightforward. So usually because Maker Uno, you have all the labels there, so you can straight away just hook it up according to the label. So this one is for the power, and then the SDL. So I think it's already uploaded the code. So if you open, so it's not giving any value at the moment. So I need to have some source, the UV light source, so that it will have a value. But this one very straightforward. You don't need to do any much connection because it's a module. So it'll be very easier for you to just to plug it to the Maker Uno and straight away get the readings. Right? Okay, so that's about the LTR. Usually this one is usual for if you're doing some monitoring on the UV light for environmental kind of thing. So this one will be very useful. Here are some more videos here. You can always come and refer to product page here. And one good thing about this is that this one can support 3.3 volt and 5 volt. So you no need to do any there's no issue if you're interfacing with Maker Uno or the ESP32 board, which is usually works on 3.3 volt. So you don't have any issue. You can straight away use it.
You can also use with the Raspberry Pi.
You can use it as a Raspberry Pi. I think just now we saw it here, right? Yeah. You can also use with the Raspberry Pi. So if you're using now, I think if you're using for your project, maybe you can use Raspberry Pi Zero, a very smaller one. You can always interface with that one also. Right, so that's about the sensor. As usual, you can always come to the product page here to know more about the detail of the product and the spec of the product. And the actual price for this product is 38 ringgit and 50 cents. And currently we are giving 20% off for this product as well. So you can try to grab this for 30 ringgit and 80 cents. We have 7 in stock and about 7 days more before the offer ends. Right? So try to grab this while the stock and the offer price lasts. Right, so let's move to the next product. Oh, by the way, Harry, are we going to have any giveaway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Talking about giveaway, I think we can go with the first prize for today. So
Right.
let me spill the price.
Price. Okay.
Uh,
I think while Harry want to open, I just want to read out some comments. Nak baca sikit comments.
boleh.
From Roy Chipang, Insight. Okay, Chris. UV. Yes, Chris. That one is for UV, but since I'm inside, there's no any reading. So this one for UV light. I need to have some UV light source. Then there will be the reading. And okay, then Bella, then Maker Uno. Yeah, the one I was using Maker Uno, Bella. The one was Maker Uno. Yes. And then Roy Chipang, I'm here. Okay, Roy. And Chris, he already start. Yes, already start, Chris. Yeah, Harry, you want to show the price, right?
Yeah, wait. Okay.
You want to share the screen, is it? Let me bring back.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can see the screen now.
So we have 2 prize for today. The first prize is this one, 100 watt adjustable DC boost converter with display. So this is DC boost converter, so you can show value on the display lah. And then the second prize, I think this is the main prize lah. So the main prize is the speaker.
You're giving speaker.
6 watt stereo USB powered 3.5mm jack speaker black. So this one you can use with the Raspberry Pi lah.
Usually it's for Raspberry Pi, it's very convenient.
Yeah. But still you can use with your laptop, computer, no problem with that.
Okay.
So let's go with the first winner for today. Okay, you can see the wheel.
Oh yes, we can see the wheel.
So the first winner will get the boost converter.
Boost converter. This one is for the boost converter.
Yeah. So the first winner is Sultan from Instagram.
Are you here? Are you here, Sultan? I think we need to do the countdown.
Yeah.
Oh, he's here. Sultan Subendran. Yeah, he already answered. Congrats, Sultan Subendran.
Yeah.
So you are the first winner for today. So you will receive the
DC boost converter.
DC boost converter.
So I think this is the first time Sultan win, right? So
yeah, this is the first time.
Don't forget to send your details to our support team.
Sultan, what you should do is you need to contact our Genie, our customer service. Tell that you are the winner for the NPI giveaway and provide your details so that we can ship the prize to you.
Okay.
Anyway, congrats. Sultan, you're the first time. I think first time you're winning it, right? Congrats to you. And thanks for joining us. Okay. So I think we will continue with our NPI with our next product. But I just need to do some connection for the next.
I think it's okay lah. If you cannot demo, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, the next product is this one. Okay. Right. Okay, we have. I think just very quickly we go with some of the comments. Very quickly. So can they? So it's okay. We may have another luck next time. We have for the grand prize. Kita nak say, ini boleh je Mandarin, Hokkien, semua boleh. So for Rajivan, he's here. Okay, yeah. And thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, Sultan. And Fun, I will say congratulations and thank you. Okay, noted. Good. Sleepy. Just a few more minutes. Few more products only. we're not gonna take much time because we also want to finish it earlier.
We also want to lah.
Because tomorrow is working day, right? So we don't want to drag our life too long, right? So then first time. So thanks, and please keep on supporting us, so then. So I mean, in the upcoming weeks, just stay tuned to our NPI live channel. Alright. Okay, so that's we already done with the first giveaway. So let's move to the second. Let's continue with our NPI product. Okay, so the next product is a AS7341 spectral color or visible spectrum sensor. Okay, so I think for this one, I just want to. Okay, this one already.
Actually, this is actually the demo already, so you can see the result here lah.
This one is much more accurate, much more better lah, better. This one, but just to show, we don't have the video right here, right, Jamie? We don't have the video. Oh, it's okay. But maybe I can just show the physical sensor video. Share the physical sensor. And then we can just show the video. This one also I'm interfacing with Maker Uno, since this one is much more easier to interface with. And if you are asking about the sensor, this is how the sensor will look like, right? So let's. Okay, I think now it's visible. So this is how the sensor will look like. So this one has the GPIO pin, the INT, the SCL, SDA, GND. Basically, this one you can interface it with the normal I2C connection. So it's very convenient for the I2C. And usually you have some light. Then from there you can detect that this is a bit advanced from the normal light sensor which we have brought in previously. So this one is a bit more, I would say, a bit more accurate from the previous one. So if you see on the data here, let's see. Okay, so this one is embedded with 6-time independent 16-bit ADC, which allows effective processing of data in parallel. So this one will be much more accurate. And also it comes with the 2 LED. If you see in here, it has 2 LED up here.
Oh, okay.
So
what's the brightness of the LED?
So the one will have a more better color. The reflection will be much more better rather than in a dark way. If you put the light, then it will be the reading will be much more accurate. So also this one comes with the interrupt pin as well, the INT pin which I showed just now. And there's also one general purpose input. This one is programmable GPIO pin, so you can program it. Right. So as usual, you can come to the resources for the user to know more about the product page and to know more about the product in detail. So usually, yes, Hari?
To be honest, I like product from Malaysia because they already provide everything in their tutorial lah. So you can use with Arduino, Raspberry Pi. So they include everything that you need to know lah, how to get started.
Yes. Agree.
So their documentation is very good lah.
Correct. So this sensor usually is useful like if you are doing like color differentiation, like if you are doing something like not really image processing, but then you just want to show some color. If you show, like, just say if you point a green color to the device, then the robot will move. I mean, if you are applying it in a robot, if it detect a red light, then it will stop. Just like in 3 colors, if yellow, the robot will slow down. Something like that. I mean, you can do for the robotic project. And also last time we have this sorting. Like if the sensor detect a green color, it will move the sorting for another. It will move to another bin. If like
for
you have
example,
like 5
chili
bin.
lah, chili. So
Pardon?
kita ada cili hijau, cili merah kan.
Boleh. dia boleh. Ni yang basic lah. Kalau nak advance, kita guna image processing. Guna kamera kan. Kita kalau advance lah. Kalau macam basic je, dia detect color je, boleh lah guna sensor ni. So this sensor will be much also for the artificial lighting lah, for greenhouse. So this one is quite useful. I mean, you can do many many interesting project actually using this sensor, right? Okay, so that's about the sensor. Okay, the actual price for this sensor is actually 89 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product, so you can grab this for 71 ringgit and 20 cents. Currently we have 8 in stock, and we have 8 more days before the offer ends, so try to grab this while the offer and the stock lasts. Right, so just to highlight, I mean when we bring NPI, we do have a 20% off, so try to grab the sensor, I mean any useful items because usually after that you can't enjoy the 20% off. So whenever we bring in the new product, so if you feel that you might use it in your future project, so just try to grab this. I mean that depends on your budget also lah. I mean if you have the budget, then everything, then you can try to just grab it while the offer price lasts. Right, so okay, first time then Ober said the nice demo. Yeah, the wave shape demo is very good. I mean they project a different RGB color, and the sensor can detect it accurately and differentiate the color as well. Right, so let's move to the next product for today. So this product is from
I have the product.
Oh, good. So Hairil will share the product. Jom Hairil share the product. Okay.
So it comes with this packaging, black packaging.
Black packaging. It's from our Pimoroni kita spell as
Pimoroni. Yep.
Pimoroni.
The packaging is black and the board also black color.
Just to share lah, Pimoroni all their boards usually is black color. Something macam kita lah, kita punya semua purple kan, almost purple lah. This one Pimoroni usual dia punya trademark dia black most likely.
So you can see here, this is the board. So here you where you put the Pico. Up to you lah, Pico W or Pico, same lah. And then this is the VGA board. Quite unique lah. For me it's unique lah. So you can use VGA with Pico.
Ni macam boleh main 8-bit punya game je. Boleh main game lah.
Let me share my screen. Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can see the screen.
So this is video from Gary Explain. So I also like video from Gary Explain. So this is it's using this board, the same board. So it's connect with the VGA, right? So we try this and playing game.
Doom.
As Pico. It's quite interesting to try.
Best ni main game Doom ni.
Yeah. Smooth.
Smooth.
So siapa yang dapat ada speaker nanti boleh set up macam ni.
Masih ada bunyi lagi.
So I think that's all lah. So in here we also provided all the details about this board lah. Okay.
Right, so okay, let me bring up. Okay, so this one quite interesting the board. I mean you have, I mean let's look at the board just a very quick. Kita ada yang okay, I think this one will be better. So this one has this is the video graphic array, the display. Maybe I VGA punya port. Maybe I can zoom in a bit. Okay. So this is how you connect the Pico. The arrangement is like this. I already know the USB here, so this is how you should arrange it. And then you have a 3 push button, and to start you have the SD card, and then you have the DAC audio line out. You can power it by the USB power. It's very compact, and then you have quite useful onboard accessories to get started. So dia board dia pun panggil VGA, SD card, and audio demo board. So this one is quite good. So I mean, like if you want to try to play or run the 8-bit games, I mean during the old times, Windows 95 punya games ke apa, then this board will be, Pico will be able to run it. The Doom. I can't remember. Other few games actually. Doom is the famous one. Then other few games also.
Actually, I don't know the Doom game.
Oh, do you know? I'm from that. I think most a bit then pernah lah ada experience.
Different generation.
But then it's quite good Right, so that's about the board. Okay, let me just zoom out a bit. Okay. So as usual, you can always come to the product page here to know more about the detail of the product. And getting Chris is a bit say wow about the product. It's quite good. And it's nice. Okay. Thanks Fun AV lo. Right. Okay, so the actual price for this product is 129 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product as well. So you can try to grab this for 103 ringgit and 20 cents. We have 12 days more before the offer ends. So if you're interested in this product, you can try to grab this while the stock and the price last.
This one baru launch lah, tapi dah ada orang beli dah.
Beli dah. Yeah, 103 ringgit 20 cent. Yeah. Yep. 103 ringgit. Right, so
proceed.
Okay, proceed. So let's move to the next product. Okay, I think we need to rush a bit because we target to finish it by in 45 minutes actually.
Yep.
Okay, so this one we're not gonna go much in detail because this one is already go through. So this is a 6 volt 320 RPM high power DC micro metal gear motor. So if you are into,
it's actually a new version lah. We already have a long time ago this Gearmotor, but this one is a new version lah. This one is 320 RPM, high speed. So this one is high speed, high speed version. And this one does not come with the rear shaft.
Oh, rear shaft. Oh, okay. Doesn't have the rear shaft. Okay.
Yep.
Usually, I think the rear shaft we use for the
encoder.
Encoder, yeah. For the encoder, we use for the encoder, right? So we're not going to go in detail. You can always come to the product page here. It's already, the spec is here. So this one is rated on 6 VDC, and the tested voltage range is from 3 volt to 9 volt, and speed at no load is 6 volt is 320 RPM. Current at no load is 100 milliampere, 120 milliampere. Right, so if you're interested, you can just come to the product page and see in detail. See what I mean. We have quite a number of different varieties for this motor. So try to grab which one is suitable for your project.
Yeah.
Right. And Roichi said it's small. Yeah, this one is small. That's why we call it micro metal. It's very micro lah. It's micro. Very small.
Mainly used for robotics, right?
Mainly used for robotics. Yes, mainly used for robotics.
Need to be small lah. Not the robot will be big.
Yeah, and this one is very accurate. The movement is very accurate and it's quite powerful also, the motor. So the actual price for this product is 25 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product as well. So you can grab this at 20 ringgit. We have 38 in stock and 13 days more before the offer ends. So try to grab this while the stock and the offer lasts. So let's move to the final product for today.
Yeah, last.
So this is the final product for today. This one is the BME 280. The sensor is with me. This one I can demo it very quickly. So this one basically is a normal sensor for environmental. So you have you can get 3 different readings with this sensor. First is the temperature, and you will get the humidity and also the barometric.
So barometric is pressure, right?
Pressure.
Pressure lah.
Is it for pressure lah?
So it's 3 in 1. 3 in 1.
Yep, 3 in 1. So this one I can do it very quickly just to get the reading. So I'm still using the Maker Uno to do the demo, just very quick one. And also this one is using the SDA, the I2C lah. So you have no issue to do any.
So the number of pins seems like previous sensor.
Yeah, similar to the previous sensor. Let me just bring my. I just bring my sensor, bring my window, the camera, so that you can see the sensor for yourself. So this is the actual sensor with me. Okay, so this is the sensor. So at the bottom here you can see this one comes with the VCC, ground, SDA, SCL, the address or MISO, CS. So you have two options here. Either you want to use the I2C or the SPI connection. So I think most likely it's easier to use much more easier to use the I2C, because I2C is much more convenient to use, right? So let me just bring the window, the sensor reading window. Okay, so now we are getting the reading. I think it's a bit small. Can I? Okay, just make it bigger. Okay, so this is the reading I'm getting now from this sensor actually. So this is how you will get it. 33. I think.
Oh, 33.
We need to do some tuning.
Quite hot. 33.
Now maybe we need to do some tuning because there is some factor you need to consider when you're doing when you're programming it. So
how come other altitude?
Yes.
This one included in the sensor.
Altitude, I think maybe. Let me just bring in the sensor program. Altitude, I think no. Altitude, no. This one is not. Yeah, let's go to the product page so that we can know more about it. So this one has the temperature, humidity, and the barometer. This one is no. The altitude is not there. So maybe because I'm using the library from the other one, so that's why it's showing the altitude. But this one is much BME 280 is much more accurate if you're using for measuring the temperature and the humidity. So this one will be much more accurate.
Usually we use the DHT11.
DHT11 or DHT21. But this one is much more accurate for the BME. Because I mean, like mostly like if you are this type of sensor usually for environmental monitoring. Same with like the UV. If you're using for the agriculture kind of thing, then you can definitely go for this type of sensor.
Yeah.
Right. So I think with this we have come to the end of the our session for our NPI for today.
Yeah.
Right. So but we still need to do the final giveaway.
Yes. Okay. Share my screen.
Yeah, I think Rochi Peng is waiting.
Wait. Okay. Can see my screen? Right.
Oh, okay. I think for the altitude, it's just an approximation calculated from pressure and temperature. Oh, thanks, Saifulko. Yeah, because I was just approximation. Okay.
Good.
Because in the code is there, but then let me just bring the code. Yeah, so just to share. This one is just sample code.
Very good. Very good in technical.
So this one is the approximation.
Oh, so means that the higher the pressure, the higher the altitude lah kan?
Higher the altitude lah. Higher pressure, correct
Okay.
Betul kan?
Ya. Good. Good.
High pressure, betul lah. High pressure, higher altitude, more pressure. The higher the altitude. Ke lower pressure? It's okay. Thanks, Saiful, for this one. And so we have just a quick comment from Grand Prize. Yep. High altitude, high pressure. Yeah, betul lah.
Okay.
So from Wiri Bus. Thanks for joining. First time we are hearing from you, Wiri Bus. Thanks for joining. Base. Really base. Roy Chipeng. Yeah. Okay. Let's do the final
price for tonight.
Final price.
So the
hi
the speaker.
Hi Wiri Bus. Best.
Okay. The spin
Paste.
is the last winner for today.
Huh, Candy Wong.
Candy Wong from Facebook. So Candy Wong, if you are here, please respond in 10 seconds. Okay, let's start the countdown.
Yep, let's start the countdown.
10, 9.
I already responded.
Okay.
Oh, tonight everyone is fast, huh? No need to count. Hey, thanks, Candy Wong. So you're the grand prize winner for our NPI for today. So I think you're already familiar with
our giveaway.
Our giveaway. So don't forget to leave your detail with us. Yeah, I think this one, I think he corrected. Sorry, high altitude, low pressure. Yeah, I think low pressure, more higher, more low pressure, low. It should be low lah, correct.
So yang
the higher the
macam kita masuk laut, lagi dalam lagi tinggi pressure lah kan.
Lower altitude lower altitude, higher pressure.
Maksudnya kan makin dalam, lower altitude, high pressure. Betul kan?
Betul.
Okay.
Dia terbalik vice versa dia punya tu.
Okay, I got it.
And Roshi Ben no
more
prize. We only have 2 prize for today.
Maybe next time we can do more prize lah kot. Tu macam sikit sangat, dua macam sikit sangat.
Betul. So, okay, I think with this we have come to the end of our NPI for today. So okay, we have some comments here from very base air less than thin air, right? And also Saifuko, congratulations, great, can see many people joining. Hope this new time is a positive move. Yeah, hopefully. We also really hope that this one is a hopefully many people can join and many people can benefit. I mean, we are also learning, so that whatever we are sharing also will be beneficial for everyone joining us. And we always welcome feedback. So if you do have any feedback, I mean, how we can improve more on our life so that it will be beneficial for all, you are most welcome to email us or to just chat with us on directly to us, or anything, any medium you want to use just to share with us. You're most welcome. Kena buat everybody dapat prize. we try our best lah. Actually we are trying our best because
memang ramai lah join.
Tapi kita punya ni memang kita nak, the price is just to, it's an appreciation lah. I mean for us to give
for the viewers.
For the viewers but we can't afford to give everyone the prize, but so that we are just doing a better way so that it will be fair for everyone who's joining. So hopefully we can improve and see. I mean, if we have anything that we can I mean, if we can do something that is beneficial for the viewers, definitely we will try our best to do so. Maybe we can give a coupon or something for all the viewers, so that you feel, I mean, so that you get something else. We try to see how it goes. So since this is our first NPI, we're doing it in the new time. So let's see how it's progressing. So from there we can decide how we can to do more improvisation. Alright, so basically like what we said earlier, this one will be more like a santai session. So you can mix mode. There'll be Malay language or English and Malay. So feel free to ask us any question. So right, so yeah, good night from Mr. Lin. Good night, Mr. Lin. Good night. And from Universe. Thanks lah, semua dah ngantuk lah. Right. So signing off from you, me Hussein.
And me Hairil. Bye bye.
Bye bye.